Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, as well as I offer the same to all appointed Acharya of Sri Brahma Rudra Shanak Sampradayas and pure devotee as well. So today, little bit complicated now. Here, there is some cyclone vibration going on. You know, cyclone, soon it will appear. I don't know when and how. The news says 160 kilometer speed. So anyway, we are here, everything shut down, not locked down. What is going to happen, I don't know, but anyway, God, what He does, everything is beneficial for us. That we have to think about it. Anyway, so today is Ekadashi also. For us, means Indians, they are observing Ekadashi today. Ekadashi also very auspicious day for all Vaishnavas. And Harinam also very auspicious holy name. So we are chanting Harinam Chintamani. When we are reading Harinam Chintamani. So yesterday we came to that point. Naam nache, jeev nache, nache premodhan. Holy name, dancing. Living entity, dancing. Premdhan, dancing. Jagad nachaye, maya kore palayon. Jagad inspired them to dance. Means universe inspired them to dance, to see the living entities chanting and dancing. Through that, they are getting Premdhan, pure love for Krishna. In such manner, universe is dancing. So Maya Kore Palayan means Maya means illusionary energy. Palayan means leave. Wherever we are doing such things, we are dancing and chanting and with chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, with purity, definitely Maya Devi will leave the place. You can see wherever you chant, their vibration, its energy is different. Energy is different. So, therefore, Lord Chaitanya inspired us to chant and dance. And make ourselves free from illusionary energy, influence of illusionary energy. Jahar name Shraddha hai, tare name adhikar hoya thake. Name sarva shakti ache means who has faith on chanting holy name, only that person is deserving to chant. Means pure name. Name sarva shakti ache. Means Naam, Lord gave it all potency over there. Sarva Shakti. We know from Shikshashtaka's second sloka. Namnamakai Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Stattar Pita Niyamita Smarane Nakala Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavana Mamapi Durdaiva Midrishamiha Jani Nanurago. The Sarva Shakti, all potency, Lord put on His holy name. So Namnamakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti. That Sarva Shakti means Lord, in order to deliver all the living entities, He appeared with different names, Govinda, Krishna, etc. And He put full potency, all His potency to the holy name. Stattarpita niyamita namarane nakala. Even He is not keeping any time that you have to chant only this particular time. No. No time code, no dress code, nothing. No place code. Means whenever you have time, during your walking, lying down on a bed, honoring prasadam, all the time, we are able to chant and get the benefit. Namer adhikar naramatre koila dhan, sarva shakti name prabhu korila vidhan. So Lord Chaitanya, the Supreme Lord, He gave the right to chant to all human beings, naramatra. Naro means human. As soon as we are getting this human form, we have right to chant holy name. In this regard, Lord, give us the name. Do you understand? As soon as we are getting this human form, we have a right to chant adhikar. Or we are deserving to chant. That Supreme Lord gifted for all human beings. Sarva Shakti Name Prabhu Korile Vidhan. And all potency, Lord, give. All potency, Lord, put or give in His holy name. If you chant, you can realize it. There is no question of maybe, not like that. It is Sarva Shakti. Jar Shuddha Hoya Name Sei Adhikari. Who has faith on chanting, only that person able to realize it, is deserving to realize this. Lord, give all potency in His holy name. Jar Mukhe Krishna Naam Sei Achari. Who is chanting Hare Krishna, Sei Achari means say that person is following, practicing. Because Sarvakkana Valayitek Vidinayar. All the time we are eligible to chant holy name. There is no rules and regulation. No rules and regulation. Don't think that, okay, I can do as I like, what I like. No. Means time, place, and dress, and circumstances. We can say time, place, and dress. You can chant according to your convenience. Don't think that you have to chant with only dhoti, wearing dhoti. No, like that. You can also wear pant, coat. Of course, that if it is pure, means if you are not going to toilet with that pants and coat, then it is okay to wear. Why I am telling you, so I saw this devotees or non-devotees, they are going to toilet with their pants and they finish the nature call and come back without proper washing their part of the body. Even sometimes wearing, I saw that. Therefore, I am telling them about that. No, there is no proper dress. You can chant with pants, coat. You can chant with dhoti, kurta. You can chant without kurta. Like nowadays, you can see here so much humid, hot. I am not able to wear any t-shirt on my body. With such a way, such sweating, make me feel disgusted. But anyway, look. So I am just trying to say that जार मुखे कृष्ण नाम सही आचार्य, who is chanting with faith, he is practicing according to this prescription, because all the time we can chant. I hope you understand what I want to say. Although I am explaining that if you go to toilet, it is not proper to chant with this outfit. But here, next stage, Haridas Thakur says, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Des kal osau chadir badha name nai. What I said, Des means place, kal means time, osau chadir means impure. But better for us to make ourselves pure. If we believe Lord with us all the time while I'm chanting, better for us to wear fresh cloth. देश काल असौचादी नियम सकल श्री नाम ग्रहण नाय नाम से प्रबल. देश काल असौचादी, I already explained you, this means place, kal means time, asauchadi means impure condition, means impure. Your dress not properly clean, or you are in this impure place, you went there, all the rules and regulations. So there is no need to maintain, no need to Nam Gohone Nai, means if you chant holy name, no need to follow also that. Because Nam se prabal. Nam has lots of potency. He will make everything pure. He will make everything pure. This is given by, this instruction given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. But better for us to follow the fresh cloth as much as we can. We should not just, okay, there is no rules and regulation, so I can do as I like. Not like that. First of all, you have to think, if Lord is there with you, what we supposed to do, what dress you will wear and go to temple. So that fresh cloth you have to wear while you are chanting. This is my opinion. Don't think that this is Shastra says. Shastra says even the asauchadi means actually without purification, you can say. Or impure place, impure dress code, we can chant also. Kali Jugere Name Niskapad Vishwas Hoile Name Odhikar Hoilo. In this age of deception, if we believe without hypocrisy that whatever I explain, then we believe holy name will cure all of us, will cure all our unwanted mundane desire. We believe without any hypocrisy, not like lips are telling, inside we are not feeling what we are talking about. What are talking about? দানে যজ্ঞে স্নানে জপে আছে তো বিচার, কৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তনে মাত্র শ্রদ্ধা অধিকার। দান, giving charity, yajna, manifesting fire sacrifice, snan, bathing, jop, chanting on the beads. Achito vichar. Now, what I say, now you understand. While you are chanting on the beads, that time you have to maintain. Not whenever I go in pure place, you can chant holy name, no problem. Krishna Sankirtane Matra Shraddha Adhikar. Krishna Sankirtan need only faith. That is the deservedness for chanting. Shraddha Adhikar. If you have faith, that means you deserve to chant. First of all, you have to think about that you have faith on chanting or not. How to believe you have faith or not? When you are not chanting one day, what you feel? Are you regretting for that? Are you regretting? If you are not regretting, that means you have no Shraddha for that. যুগধর্ম হরিনাম অনন্য শ্রদ্ধা, যে করে আশ্রয় তার সর্বলাভ হয়। Yugadharma means practicing religiosity. In this age of deception is Harinam. Whereas Ananya Shraddha, Ananya means constant faith on chanting. যে করে আশ্রয় তার সর্বলাভ হয়। Whoever taking shelter of chanting holy name with constant faith, definitely he will get, he will attain the ultimate goal of life. Sarvalav, he will get everything, means attain the ultimate goal of life. কলিযুগে নিষ্কপটে কৃষ্ণের সংসারে অবস্থিত হয়ে কৃষ্ণ নাম সদা করে। In this age of deception, Kali Yuga, if you are chant without hypocrisy in this society, অবস্থিত হয়ে কৃষ্ণ নাম সদা করে, কৃষ্ণের সংসার নিষ্কপটে কৃষ্ণ সংসার। Kali Yuga, in this age of deception, when Jiva in this Krishna's society chanting, অবস্থিত হয়ে কৃষ্ণ নাম সদা করে, and constantly chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra to stay in Krishna's family, with chanting Krishna's name without hypocrisy in this Krishna's family, means Krishna's samsar, means in Krishna's society. Actually, everything belongs to Krishna. Wherever we are, you may be stay in France, you may be stay in India. Both are the place of Supreme Lord Krishna. Even what you say, this is my land, it is also Krishna's land. So my house, also Krishna's house, because owner of the universe is Krishna himself. Owner of the universe is Krishna himself. Therefore, everything belongs to Krishna. That we have to keep in our consciousness and chant without hypocrisy. Without hypocrisy. Please watch this word, without hypocrisy. Sometimes we are chanting with some expectation, mundane expectation, or protect ourselves from our upcoming fear of death. That is the purpose to chant. And also, we are chanting as a duty. You have to know that. You have to know that these three are not that much attractive for Krishna. Krishna wants to see our spontaneous love for chanting. Spontaneous love for chanting His name. Then Krishna become happy. Our main goal to be here in this human form, to make Krishna happy with our each activities. But nowadays, although we know about it, but we can see we are quarreling. We are quarreling amongst each other just to accumulate power. Accumulate power in our hand. Therefore, most of the quarrel based on this. So anyway, think about it. We are in this age of deception, Kali Yuga. We should be free from hypocrisy and chant in this Krishna's universe. What is going to happen? Then gradually we will be delivered. Namer onukul vishay gohono pratikul vishay bharjan. This Saranagati, whatever favorable for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we have to accept it. What is not favorable, we have to reject it. Reject. ভজনের অনুকূল সর্বকার্য করি, ভজনের প্রতিকূল সব পরিহরি। For the service, Krishna's service, whatever favorable, we have to accept it. Like favorable to serve Vaishnava, we have to serve him. We should not give any excuse ourselves. If I know, like if you are a businessman, if you are going to to a business field, if you know that if you stay here whole night, you can earn minimum 100,000 US dollar. What you will do? You will leave the place because your time over, time for rest, or you will just try to be there overnight and then you will get $100,000, right? So, serve Vaishnavas, visit Holy Dham, visit Krishna's temple, paying them obeisance with sound faith. It is all favorable for Krishna's service. Means those activities, Krishna, those are activities that makes Krishna happy. That make Krishna happy. So therefore, we should try our best way. Whatever favorable for Krishna's service, to make Krishna happy, we have to accept it without any excuse. If there is any possibility, if there is no possibility, then we have no choice. We have to reject. But we suppose not to reject anything. Whatever, if someone requesting you that please cook for these Vaishnavas, well, means few devotees coming from far, so they want to take prasadam. Here is no one for cooking. But you know cook, someone respect, someone requesting you to cook for the devotee. You have time to cook, so we should not refuse it, we should do it. That is also favorable because Krishna's Vaishnava service equivalent of Krishna's service. Means Krishna's. If Vaishnava is satisfied, then Krishna becomes satisfied. This philosophy we are following. Bhajaner pratikul sab parihari. Whatever obstacles for Krishna's service, like intoxication, gambling, those are really big obstacles for Krishna's service. Those things, Krishna doesn't like it. You can see that how Yudhishthira Maharaj, as a dharma, embodiment of dharma, how Yudhishthira Maharaj actually involve himself or engage himself to playing this disc, jua. And he lost everything. He put his family in the trouble. He lost Indraprastha. He lost his, and he became exile, you can say. All family become exile, suffering, so much. This, as a king, they used to stay a huge palace, and then they are staying inside forest with inside heart, and also if you look that there is a incognito. In Bengali called Agyatavas, incognito. The incognito, how they are suffering. Duryodhana always trying to find them in those years, 1 year. But Krishna protect them. Therefore, they are able to overcome this period successfully. Although at the end there was a controversy. Duryodhana said he broke their incognito period because they came in battle. Arjuna came in the battle during the period of the incognito. But according to the calculation of mathematician, it already over. It's over the period of incognito. So because everything possible because of the Krishna's mercy. But therefore we are not Pandava. Pandava was not ordinary personification. They are like a God and God. They are God. Deva. They are expansion of different Deva, like Pavan Dev expansion, Bhima, Yudhishthira expansion, Dharma. Then Arjuna expansion of Indra. In that way. Krishner sangsare taki kataya jivan nirantar harinam kare na smaran. To make your family like a Krishna's family means you have to keep Krishna in the middle of your family and middle of your life, and gradually pass your day with such activities. You do everything for Krishna, then it's Krishna's family. Nirantar Harinam Karana Smaran. And constantly Harinam is remembered in mind. This is most important part for this age of deception. Nirantar Harinam Karana Smaran. Constantly remember chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, means Hare Krishna in mind constantly. Because fixing our mind to Harinam is actual spirituality in this iron age. Fixing our mind in chanting Harinam, that is called spirituality in this age of deception, Kali Yuga. Ananya buddhite naam gohon karibe, আর কোন ধর্ম কর্ম কভু না করিবে, স্বতন্ত্র ঈশ্বর জ্ঞানে অন্যে না পুজিবে. Very nice quote, This says there is no need to observe any other religiosity. Like, Krishna also explained, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam bhaja. Abandon all varieties religion and surrender to me only. Har kono dharma karma kabhu na karibe. Therefore you can see Vaishnava, they respect everyone, all the god and goddesses, but they are not interested to worship other god and goddesses. Like I can give an example, like a chaste woman. In the home, there is a festival. She is hosting, receiving, greeting all the people, all the guests. But intimate relation she is keeping with her husband only. So Vaishnava, real Vaishnava, they are following the same. They are not disrespecting other god and goddesses, Dev and Devi. But they are keeping due respect to everyone, but they are keeping intimate connection with our worshipful, with the worshipful Lord, divine capital Sri Radha Krishna. Swatantra Ishwar Gyane Onne na pujibe means there is other god and goddesses, they are also equivalent of Supreme Lord. Therefore you are worshipping them. Like you can say that why we are worshipping Shiva. Our purpose of worshipping Shiva is not he is supreme. Actually, our vision, he is Lord Shiva, is greatest Vaishnava. Is greatest Vaishnava. And we are worshipping Lord Shiva just to beg Krishna Bhakti. Even if you look, when we are paying obeisance to Lord Shiva, what mantra we are chanting? You can see that mantra, Jai Vrindavana Bonipathe, Shoma Shoma Mole, Shanandana Shanatana Naradadda, Gopeshwara Bhajavilasi Juganghi Padme, Prating Prajachane Tarang, Nirupadhikang me. Nirupadhik Prem. This is the most important part for a devotee. Why? Without this type of Prem, Nirupadhik Prem means fully free, absolutely free from all appreciation, recognition, those material desire. Therefore you can see Lord Shiva, where he is mostly staying in cremation ground. How he wear the outfit, just like a normal outfit. Normal means it's not like your normal dhoti kurta. He's wearing very short tiger skin, such type of. And what shirt he's wearing? No. Smear ashes on his body. Why? People may think he is a crazy person. Why he wants us to think he is a crazy? Why? Because we cannot go and disturb him. He is eligible. He could chant without obstacles, without disturbance. If no one going there, he can absorb Lord's name properly. So there we are our purpose of worshipping Lord Shiva like this. Even not only that, even the god and goddesses. If we are in any kind of place where they are worshipping god and goddesses, we can go there. But our goal of worship, goal of attending the function, just to get Krishna Bhakti only. Don't think that Vaishnava going there for other purpose or begging some material gain. No. Vaishnava, they want Krishna, they want Vrindavan, they want Vaishnava's mercy. This is the most important part for increasing our devotion. আর কোন ধর্ম কর্ম কবু না করিবে, স্বতন্ত্র ঈশ্বর জ্ঞানে অন্যে না পুজিবে. Don't worship to others as good as God. No. কৃষ্ণ নাম ভক্ত সেবা সতত করিবে. Krishna Nam Bhakta Seva, chanting Hare Nam, and serve devotee, Satatamana, constantly. Karibe means you have to do, perform it. Krishna Pam Labh Tar Avashya Haibe. Whoever chanting Krishna Nam and serving devotees without fail, all the time. You may have question, how is it possible to constantly serve devotees and Krishna's Nam? Krishna Nam, that it depends on you, but devotee, if you are not able to invite devotee in your home, but husband, wife, they are both are initiated, so amongst each other, you will serve. Husband should serve wife, wife should serve husband. In that way, you can have Bhakta Seva. But if you are not appreciating such type of service, then you can have, just you can send some financial support to temple. There is where so many devotees are there, sincere devotees are there, for their service you can send the money. Then they can do that. So anyway, today I have so many classes today. I feel tired, I am here almost from 12, one after another class. Therefore I am not feeling okay. But anyway, now 9:15 now. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we can talk more elaborately about it. Hare Krishna.